Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to run you through how to use the Find My Drone feature when flying something like the DJI Mini 4 Pro or something that's using a controller like this or a controller with your phone on the top. Now, Find My Drone is extremely helpful, especially if, say, you've had to land somewhere else because you're running low on battery, or if you've actually had a crash and you're not sure where the drone has gone down. Find My Drone is a really handy feature to help you find your drone. So I've simulated the fact that my drone has run out of battery and it's landed somewhere nearby, but I'm not really sure where it is. So the easiest way to open the Find My Drone feature is going to be to click on the map here in the bottom left, and then in the bottom right we now see it says Find My Drone. Now when I click on that, it's going to take me into the map and it's going to show me where I am, where my drone is, and also the little section here, if I click on that, it's going to show me the last 10 seconds of footage before the drone either landed or crashed. Now in this instance, it's playing back a little bit patchy, but it can help to give you a bit of an idea if you've literally got no idea. So I'm going to pause this and go off there. Now on the map we can see here we have a red arrowhead. The red arrowhead is the drone, and then we have me, the circle with the blue arrow, and as I spin you can see it turning as well. That is me. Now the green line indicates the smoothest path for me to get to the drone. So whilst you're on the map, you can also do things like, if you click on this button here, we can change the map view from satellite to standard, mixed, or satellite, and you are going to need an internet connection. So I'm currently just hotspotting off my phone, so I can see a satellite image here, and that might help you out a little bit better to find where the drone is. But in this instance, I'm going to go back to standard, and then in the bottom left here, we have the option to use other maps. On this controller, I haven't got any other maps installed, so I only have the DJI Fly map. But if you're using your phone or something, you can also use Google Maps. So then in the bottom right, we have start flashing and beeping. So when you get close to the drone, if the controller is still connected to it, you can actually get the drone to start flashing and beeping, and that can make it easier for you to find it. So I'm going to take this with me now, and we're going to go have a look and see if we can find the drone. So let me get this off here. So what we're actually seeing on the controller is where the drone is. If the controller is still connected, that's actually going to be giving me a live GPS position of the drone. Or if the drone is no longer connected, that's basically going to show me the last recorded position of the drone. And as I'm moving towards it, you can see the blue dot is getting closer. So I'm currently getting closer to where the drone is. I'm having a look around. I think I can see it, but I did crash it here on purpose. Well, land it here on purpose. So now I'm starting to get a bit closer. I'm going to click the start flashing and beeping. And then as we get closer, I can hear it. I can hear the beeping going on. I'm just going to move to the side a bit. And as we get close now, I can see the drone down here, spin you around. There it is, beeping away. And yeah, so we've managed to find the drone using the Find My Drone feature in the DJI Fly app. So it's really easy to use. It's a really handy feature if you've gone down somewhere, you're not quite sure where it is. Using the Find My Drone feature can really help you out in a bit of a sticky situation. So you now know how to use that feature. You've had a full demonstration of how it works. So if you're in a pickle, you know what to do. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now, I actually also have a complete drone videography course, which will take you from where you are now all the way to an advanced drone pilot and a cinematic genius. Now, it's literally already transforming people's flying and footage, and it will do exactly the same for you. Now, I've actually also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips, and discounts, and you can find all of this linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, make sure to tap the subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.